speed on it.
You guys are too fast.
We saw the teams that were coming behind us.
You have a lot of freedom, baby. You know, I don't know if you had a plan with it.
Teams were finishing the crawl and leaving.
We were just so frustrated. There's no way to meet up this.
Oh, it's fun. We'll get it. Trust me, we'll get it. So we looked at it. We're like, okay, well, we'll just fight through this. It gave me a drive.
Head south down the road to receive your next play.
Mark? Whoa, let's go. Forward to cross. We're doing it.
Woo! Look how pretty it is.
Come on, let's do it. You all right?
Yeah.
Nice mustache.
I can hear music. I hear music, baby. They're singing for us, baby. Come on. Yeah, the whole Margie, come on, baby.
Welcome to Formula 1. Louis and Michael?
Yes, sir.
Once again. Can I have some good news for you?
Yes, sir.
As the winners of this leg of the race, you have each won a 55-inch HD TV. You are now the team to beat.
Yes, we are,
Two
sir.
first-place finishes in a row. You guys are killing it.
We're representing law enforcement all around the world. We're here. We're back in it. We're feeling good.
You had an option today to